Now let's take a look at the Teacher Dashboard. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to use the Teacher Dashboard to manage your students, schedule lessons, assign tasks, create reports, access sheet music, and track your revenue, all in one place. Let's get started. When you sign in, you'll land on your Teacher Dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. From here, you can quickly access the dashboard, My Profile, Calendar, and Notifications. On the right side of the navigation bar, you can also switch between Light Mode and Dark Mode. Dark Mode features a custom-designed layout created specifically for comfortable viewing and a clean, modern look. Below the navigation bar, you'll see the Quick Actions section. From left to right, you have Add Student, Schedule Lesson, Create Task, and Create Report. Under the Quick Actions section, you'll see your main dashboard areas, including upcoming lessons, assigned tasks, and students needing attention.